Welcome back, folks. Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of pet care with a revolutionary solution: Scent-Away Cat Litter Deodorizer. If you're a cat owner, you know the struggle of keeping your home smelling fresh while maintaining your feline friend's litter box. Well, say goodbye to those odor woes because Scent-Away is here to save the day. Let me tell you why Scent-Away stands out from the crowd. It's not just your ordinary litter box deodorizer. This stuff is the best litter box odor eliminator on the market, and here's why. First off, let's talk about the secret ingredient, active carbon. Unlike other deodorizers, Scent-Away uses active carbon with a microscopic, highly porous surface area. This means it doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them at their source, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. And here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply sprinkle a thin layer over your cat's litter box, and voila! Say hello to a fresher smelling home. Plus, it extends the life of your cat litter by improving moisture absorption, saving you money in the long run. Now, I know what you're thinking, is it worth the investment? Trust me, it absolutely is. Sure, there are cheaper options out there, but none deliver the same level of performance and peace of mind as Scent-Away. So, if you're tired of holding your breath every time you walk past the litter box, do yourself a favor and give Scent-Away a try. Your nose, and your furry friend, will thank you. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, happy pet parenting!